Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Title: The Magical Paintbrush. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between emerald green hills, there lived a young girl named Mia. Mia was known for her vivid imagination and her love for drawing and painting. She spent most of her days wandering through the meadows, sketching the beauty of nature in her sketchbook. One sunny afternoon, while exploring a dense forest near her village, Mia stumbled upon an ancient tree that stood out from the rest. Its bark was covered in intricate patterns, and at its base lay a tiny, shimmering paintbrush. This paintbrush was unlike any Mia had ever seen. Its bristles glistened like the morning dew, and its handle was adorned with colorful gemstones. With curiosity burning in her heart, Mia reached down and picked up the paintbrush. As soon as her fingers touched it, a warm, golden light surrounded her. She felt a tingling sensation all over, and her sketchbook transformed into a blank canvas. Mia couldn't believe her eyes. The paintbrush was magical. She dipped it into a nearby puddle, and the water turned into a stunning, shimmering river on her canvas. She dipped it into the air, and colorful birds appeared. Every stroke she made brought her wildest imaginings to life on the canvas. Word of Mia's magical paintbrush spread quickly through the village, and soon people from far and wide came to witness her incredible talent. Mia painted lush forests, majestic mountains, and mythical creatures that danced to life on her canvas. One day, a nobleman named Lord Winston came to the village. He saw Mia's mesmerizing paintings and offered her a bag of gold coins in exchange for the magical paintbrush. He wanted it for his vast collection of treasures and believed it could make him the most famous artist in the world. Mia hesitated. She knew that the paintbrush was special and had brought so much joy to her life and her village. She politely declined Lord Winston's offer, explaining that the paintbrush was not for sale. Enraged, Lord Winston decided to take matters into his own hands. Late one night, he crept into Mia's house and stole the magical paintbrush. When Mia discovered it missing the next morning, she was heartbroken. Determined to get her paintbrush back, Mia embarked on a journey to Lord Winston's grand estate. Along the way, she encountered various challenges and made new friends who helped her. She met a clever squirrel who showed her hidden paths, a wise owl who provided guidance, and a kind-hearted blacksmith who forged her a shield to protect her from danger. Finally, Mia reached Lord Winston's estate. She faced many traps and obstacles but used her creativity and quick thinking to overcome them. She reached Lord Winston's grand art gallery, where he displayed her magical paintings as if they were his own. When Lord Winston saw Mia, he was furious. He demanded she hand over the magical paintbrush. But Mia, armed with her newfound friends and her determination, refused. She challenged Lord Winston to a painting duel. The winner would keep the paintbrush. The duel began, and Mia painted with all her heart. She brought to life scenes of joy, love, and unity. Lord Winston, on the other hand, painted scenes of greed, power, and arrogance. As the paintings materialized on their canvases, the room seemed to come alive with the emotions portrayed. In the end, Mia's painting of a world filled with kindness and beauty won the hearts of everyone present, including Lord Winston himself. He realized the error of his ways and returned the magical paintbrush to Mia. Mia forgave Lord Winston, and he promised to change his selfish habits. As Mia returned to her village with the magical paintbrush, she realized that true magic came from the heart and the love she had for her art and the world around her. From that day on, Mia used her magical paintbrush not just for herself but to create art that inspired and brought happiness to everyone. The villagers and Lord Winston became her biggest admirers, and they all learned that true art came from the depths of one's soul, driven by love, compassion, and a touch of magic.